Hello everyone. In this session I will show you how to record your sales and at this stage I assume that you already defined all of your income types and the sales accounts. So once you have done so, then you are ready to go and start recording your sales. So from the menu here you click on record revenues, and this will take you to the template where you can record all of your sales. So as you see here, I put already some transactions or a lot of transactions to show you later on how's the reporting part work and how can we produce reports from the system. So in the top here, once you have a lot of entries and you want to make a new one, so instead of scrolling down, you can just click on this one, click here to make a new record, and this will take you to the last row available to complete your entry. So in here, as you see, the first column is the sequence number, and this is generated by the system, and the use for this number is you can mark your invoices while you are putting them in the system with the line number, so in the future you can see that you already entered this invoice into the system, and you can find it easily in the system if you need to review how it's recorded or edit the way it's recorded. The next column is the date of the invoice. This is the date of the invoice, not the date when you are making the entry. This is the reference number, the number on the invoice, and this is your client name. Then next to it is the income type or the income account. So this is a list you choose from, which is the list that you defined earlier. And let's say the income account or type that you are trying to add is not in the list here. You can go back to the define income accounts and you can add that account, link it to the Revenue Canada category, and then you come back and complete the entry. So once you choose the expense or the income account here, the system will automatically fill the income tax category. Next to it is the amount of the invoice. So in here you put the amount of the invoice. Let's say it's 1,100 or the amount of the invoice is 1,000. You are invoicing your client is 1,000, and the system will calculate how much is HST to add on the amount to invoice to your client. So the total comes to 1,130, and at the end here you can add your notes if it's related to a project or a specific job. So then you can, as I said, you can complete this transaction. Let's see, this client, and the invoice is 5/9, and the date is January 2017, January 1st. Again, this the entry in the date here is controlled by the date that you put here, lock period. So January 1st, 2017 is okay, but if by accidentally I put January 1st, 2016, the system will give you a warning to retry. And let's do it again, 2017, January 1st, 2017. Now it's worked fine. Okay, so this is how you can proceed with making your sales. Keep doing it this way, and later on in the following sessions I will show you how to produce the various reports. Thanks for watching.